To really understand process engineering, we first need to understand how it is structured. Process engineering is not a single discipline, it is a group of interconnected areas, each focus on a different type of transformation. And its core process engineering deals with processes where materials change their properties or composition. These changes happen in many industries, such as chemical production, food processing, textile, petrochemical, and environmental engineering. What all these industries have in common is the need for control repeatable processes. The first major area in mechanical operations. Here, the focus is not chemical reaction, but on physical changes. Engineers study how particle size, material distribution, and concentration change due to chemical forces. These include operations like separation, filtration, mixing, agglomeration, and material transport. The second area is thermal processes engineering. In this case, heat becomes the main tool. By adding or removing thermal energy modify the concentration or phase of substance. Processes such as drying, evaporation, distillation, and crystallization are all based on heat and mass transfer. Then we have chemical process engineering, unlike mechanical or thermal process. The main goal here is to create new substances through mechanical reactions, raw materials, and transform into products with completely different properties. This is where action, this is where reaction control, catalysis, and process safety become critical. Another important area is biological process engineering. Is this process transformation are carried out by living organisms, bacteria, fungi, cells, and enzymes are used to produce valuable products. The engineering task is to provide the optimal conditions for this biological system to work efficiently and safely. Finally, all these areas come together in pilot plants. Pilot plants allow engineers to test processes at a small scale before moving to full industrial production. They are essential for understanding system behavior, identifying limitations, and reducing the risks. Process engineering is not about isolated machines. It's about understanding how different processes interact with it within a system. The system-based thinking is what allows industry to operate reliably at scale.